ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಏನಂದ್ರೆ
2 weeks ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡಿ. 8th ವರೆಗೂ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ.
My
8th ವರೆಗೂ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, 0 ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. I'll take it later.
lord, fresh matter 498. It's already
Monday.
settled.
Monday.
One matter.
All fresh matters for Monday. Give it.
One matter for Friday.
Wait.
Possibly.
Submission.
Fresh. Monday. Huh? Withdrawing. Thank you. Give it. Whatever. Yes.
Serial number 2 Milord withdraw.
Wait. Compromise. ಯಾವತ್ ಬೇಕು? 5th Friday. Yes.
My lords, pending
Give.
matter-
Why are you waiting?
pending matter, my lords. There is no interim order.
No entry mode. Which year?
2023, my lords.
It will come. Give it.
Pending matter.
My lords,
Wait.
This is under Anti-Corruption Bureau.
Huh?
Police is Corruption Bureau, my lords. Anti-Corruption. Police is
7 in. Monday. Give it. Monday ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು. Entry mode ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ Monday.
My lord, this is the pending matter, my lord. Do not have any.
Can you wait, please? Yes. Yes.
Pending matters.
Pending matter.
Yes.
Entry mode ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷದ್ದು?
23.
ಕೊಡಿ.
Warrant
ಮಂಡೇ ಬರ್ಲಿ.
report.
Entry mode ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಹಾಕಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಕೊಡಿ.
Your Lordship, this matter from last Friday, it had come yesterday. From yesterday, it was posted today, but it was.
It will come today. I have restricted the list because of the bench. It will come tomorrow. It will come tomorrow. ಕೊಡಿ ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದು?
My lord, withdrawal. Withdrawal, my lord.
When do you want?
Tomorrow.
Give it.
Ma'am, interim order.
ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಸರ್? ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? 8th ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್.
Order given a date for Monday. Matter was not listed on Monday. It was an urgent.
ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್.
Fresh matter.
Monday it was not listed. ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್. ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
matter. It's proportionate asset.
Sorry?
Proportionate asset.
So what?
Friday, my lords, your lordships have directed.
Other matters. I'll give it. Yes.
Friday.
One pending matter.
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Entry ಮಾಡಿದೆ. I am for the respondent.
ವೆಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇ
that-
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ. ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ ತಾವು.
ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ.
ಅದು ರಮೇಶ್ ನಮ್ದು.
ಓ ದಟ್
That
GM
matter.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೇನೆ ಬರೋದು.
Next Friday.
12ಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ.
Please.
ಎಸ್.
My lord, this is a pending matter, my lord.
ವಿಚ್ ಇಯರ್?
2024, my lord. 5th is a matter before the trial court. The evidence will start commence. Kindly have.
What were you doing till now?
My lord, I had moved the memo, my lord.
That's
3
all
times
right.
now.
Yes, give it.
Kindly have it on Friday, my lord. Because.
Friday ಹಾಕಿ. Monday. Monday sir. ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ?
First 51 case dispose ಆಗಿತ್ತು. Remaining 5 case.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಬರ್ಲಿ.
My lords, one matter for tomorrow, my lords. The
No,
urgency is this. Lords, 498 petition. Interim order was granted in the FIR stage. Now charge sheet is filed. Lords, husband resides in my lords abroad.
ಅಮೆಂಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಆಗ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಮಂಡೇ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಫ್ರೇಮಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದ್ರು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ?
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಂಡೇಗೆ ಅಂತ.
ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ನಾಳೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ? ನಾಳೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನಾಡಿದ್ದು ಹಾಕಿ.
Please.
ಫ್ರೈಡೆ.
My lord, I'm
Two matters,
party
my lords,
person.
pertaining to.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
They have, the opposite people have got a stay.
Those people, which people?
The accused.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
Okay,
ಎಸ್.
so then the machinery goods ಎಲ್ಲ, they are disposing it off.
ನೀವು ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಈಗ
Non responding number 2.
ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Much obliged.
ಎಸ್.
Pending matter, my lord.
ವಿಚ್ ಇಯರ್?
23. I'm for R2.
Huh.
Interpol notices have been issued to the petitioner along with other accomplices.
ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್.
But he is arraigned as an accused in another crime which is listed before this court today.
It is stayed, is it?
Today, no, today also is another petition.
We'll see. Give it. Yes.
Serial number 47, my lord, first list, my lord, I will withdraw.
ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಡಿ.
Please, with liberty, my lord.
ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮೆಮೊಲ್ ಕೇಳಿದಿರಾ ಅದು?
Please.
Serial number 59, my lord, withdrawal
Yes.
with liberty, my.
Whatever is in the memo. Yes. Withdrawal.
Yes,
ನಿಮ್ದು ಆಯ್ತು.
same.
ಸಾಥ್ ಹೇ. ಆಯ್ತು. ಎಸ್. ಆಯ್ತು. ಯಾವತ್ತು? ಇವರು ಪಿ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಕುಮಾರ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಹಾಕೋದಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ. ಏನ್ ಬೀಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಟು ಯಾಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಅದು ಬರಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ ಅವ್ರು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಎಸ್.
Serial number 58, my lord, adjournment, my lord.
Adjournment.
Yes, my lord.
Whether it is 10:30 or 3:30, no adjournments, direct or indirect. Yes. Mention
Yes,
when
sir.
it is called.
Yes, sir.
Yes. ಇದಾ? Okay. in terms of the memo.
My lords, records were called for in the.
Yes, comment?
My lord, they had undertaken to file the CCTV footages.
ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ
This is the
investigation.
records, my lord.
Between 2:35 AM to 2:40 AM ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
My lord, that is the CCTV footage which they have produced, my lord. They say he was at home, my lord. ಆ photos
Where is
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ CCTV ನಿಮ್ದು?
We haven't taken undertaking. I'll produce it in tomorrow, my lords.
You need not give an undertaking, but you have to
We have
give
the
it.
video. I'll
Yes.
produce it
Matter
tomorrow.
of trial, my lord, because this is.
My,
ಅದನ್ನ ಈಗ 3:30ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ ಹೇಳಿ. Yes,
have it tomorrow, my lords.
not tomorrow, sir. Next Wednesday. Yes.
For the petitioner, my lord,
Part payment. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
26 lakhs, my lord.
You have received that 26 lakhs. Responded ನಿಮ್ದೇ ಸರ್. ನಿಮ್ದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. 26 lakhs ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? Out of 95 lakhs ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
Only 7 lakh has been given, my lord.
ಆಯ್ತು 7 lakhs ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
Please, man.
ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
We'll decide the issue.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಶಿಪ್
Vacating stay ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
Then we'll hear the matter, because hearing on the interlocutory application and this will be the same.
Yes.
I will fix a date. The respondent has filed an application seeking vacation of the interim order. The issue in the list revolves around payment of 95 lakhs, which allegedly was
85 lakhs.
85 lakhs, 85 lakhs. The learned counsel for the petitioner would contend that a part payment is already made
28 lakhs 6,250.
at rupees so and so. The learned counsel for the respondent would submit that only 7 lakhs is received. The learned counsel for the petitioner has pleaded that his check book was lost in the year 2018 and
16, my lord.
2016, and a complaint was already registered before the police or the commissioner of police, as the case would be. And the check is presented in the year 2022. Therefore, these matters will have to be considered. In the light of the part payment being made, whatever the quantum be, Section 56 appears to be protecting the petitioner from further prosecution. The issue in the list stands answered by judgment of the apex court in the case of 2023 1 SEC page 738 Darshad Bhai and so and so. Therefore, list this matter on 26th at 4 PM for further hearing.
Much
Interim
obliged.
order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing.
Much obliged.
Bail matter. I need tomorrow, my lord.
ಯಾವುದು 439?
4:39.
ಶಶಿ ಪೂಜಾರಿ,
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಜೈಲ್ ಸುಪಾರಿ.
ಹೌದು.
Yes.
Day after tomorrow, my lord.
Day after.
ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ಬೇಡ, ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾಕೆ?
ಸಂದೇಶ್
ಒಳ್ಳೆ
ಗೌಡ.
ದಿನ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅವರು ಸಂದೇಶ್ ಗೌಡ ಅವರು ಧಾರವಾಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಂಡೇ ಅಥವಾ ನಾಳೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್.
ಅದೇ ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಪಾರಿ ಇತ್ತಾನೆ?
ಹೌದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಹೌದು. ಕೋ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ನೇಮ್ ಪೂಜಾರಿ, ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಪಾರಿ.
ಕೋ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಲ್
All
ಆಗಿದೆ.
right. Yes.
ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್.
ವೀರದೇ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದು.
ಬೇಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? ಫ್ರೆಶ್
ಹೌದು.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದು. Yes. ಮೋಹನ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಅವರೇ,
Yes, 499, 420 IPC.
2018 CC.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು FIR ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಬೇರೆ.
FIR ಹೆಸರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರಿಯಲ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಅವರ
ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು? ಯು ಆರ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ದಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಬೆಸ್ಕಾಮ್ ಇಂದ ಯಾರು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬಿಲ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ?
ಯಾಕೆ ಯುವರ್ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಜನ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಬೇಡ ಸರ್, ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್.
ನಾನು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಅವರು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಯಾರು ರಿಯಲ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾಪ್.
6 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಈಗ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಅಂತ
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದಿದ್ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಹೌದು. ಹಾಗೆ.
ಎಸ್, 1-2 ವಾರ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿ
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೇಸ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಸಹ ಬಂದು ಇವತ್ತು.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಎಸ್, ನೋಡೋಣ. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ 10th, 1 ವಾರ. ಎಸ್.
Was appearing for the
In
petition.
the meantime, next.
My lords,
What?
7.
7,
Steve,
granted.
grateful. My lords.
Serial number 1. Serial number one.
Ah?
One.
Serial number 1 na? You missed the bus. Wait, sir. Next week ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Interior model.
ಇದು extend ಆಗಿದೆ. Yes.
Lord, the so moto complaint. my lord.
ATP.
Yes.
ಹಾ.
Amend ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Everything has been, my lord.
ಆಯ್ತು,
Corrected.
ಬರೆಯುವ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ.
Yes.
Yes.
My lord,
anything? All your grounds are here ಅಲ್ಲ?
Yes. My humble.
I've heard you at length.
Yes, ma'am. My humble submission, my lord, against the owner of the Antata accused number one. I am not a owner. My wife is owner. Second one is, my lord, manager and supplier.
How can you give up your wife like this?
No, my lord.
Then-
This is a restaurant, ma'am. If it is, my lord, any rooms or anything is there, my lord, submadi has comes, it is okay, my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು
Restaurant.
ಲಾಡ್ಜೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
It is a restaurant, ma'am. According to police, it is a restaurant.
According to police,
Yes,
ಅಲ್ಲ.
it is.
According to police, it is not a restaurant.
No,
There
no,
are rooms also.
no, my lord. It is a resort. We come, my lord, person who is a traveler.
Resort ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್.
Restaurant, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ನಂತರ
The resort,
ಓಡಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ
my lord, there are
then
9
s-
rooms.
then
It's not restaurant, it's a room or rent.
No, no, no.
Yes.
So that, my lord, my humble submission, my lord, against the person who came, all are software engineers. I don't know, my lord, about them, anything, my lord.
Hmm.
Then, my lord, we are the innocent, my lord, owners of the hotel. My
Hmm.
lord, person who came to the law hotel, we have provided, my lord. Person who
He
has,
came alone.
my lord,
He came alone to the hotel.
no, my lord, there are one bus has came, my lord. One bus.
ಒಂದು ಬಸ್.
Yes, ma'am. Now, we don't know anything about them. We have provided the, my
ಇದೇನು
lord.
ಮಾಸ್ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Yes, my lord. 7, my lord.
ಒಂದೋ ಎರಡೋ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಬಸ್ ಗಟ್ಲೆ
Your
ಬಂದ್ರೆ
worship,
ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್?
Kindly see that, my lord, running page number 16. Nondavara, you are 6. And, my lord, they are the about 14 members. And one bus people came for the resort for the, my lord, the holidays. We don't know, my lord, ABCD of their background, my lord. Fast track, we don't know. That is the difficulty, my lord. When we are the innocent.
ಇವರು
business-
KYC ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾರೆ? Know your customer.
My lord, in this matter, my lord, there are 9 rooms, my lord. It is not
Ah.
only bar and restaurant. It's a
ಆಯ್ತು,
resort.
9
ಆ,
rooms ಇತ್ತು.
ಗಾಳಿ
ಒಂದ್
ಪಂಚನಾಮ
ಬಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ 9 rooms ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. How do you bring them under the web of prostitution, that they are indulging in prostitution?
My lord, there are other witnesses, my lord, we have stated about.
ಏನಂತ? ದಿನ ಬಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ? Yes, heard reserved.
Please.
ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ. No, sorry.
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Heard reserved. Further proceedings till the pronouncement of the judgment shall remain stayed.
Obliged. Deeply obliged.
ಪಾರ್ಥ ಸರ್,
Yes, my lord.
ಐ ವಿಟ್ನೆಸಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Yes, my lord.
ಮತ್ತೆ
And
Technical grounds, my lord.
ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, sir.
He is,
Wait,
Please, I'm sorry.
why are you always in a hurry?
I'm sorry.
Yes,
he is a sitting corporator petitioner.
petitioner is sitting.
He is a sitting panchayat member, my lord.
ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, petitioner is sitting ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Yes.
He is a panchayat member
Hmm.
and also he is a working committee chairman, my lord.
What working committee? Which party is working committee?
Working committee of
Panchayat.
Panchayat.
ಹ್ಮ್.
Sorry, my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲ, CWC ತರ ಏನಾದ್ರು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ
Yes,
ಇದೆ?
yes. He is, no sanction is obtained, my lord.
ಹ್ಮ್. No sanction.
Sanction is a must.
For what?
She is a elected member, my lord, public
Okay.
servant. She is a
What
public.
is the allegation?
Allegation is that, my lord, the.
Hurling of abuses under section 3(1) R&S. Which part of official duty is that for a sanction?
She is visited the spot, my lord.
Yes, sir.
There was work was progress, my lord.
Yes, sir.
They have not obtained any sanction, permission from the,
ಅದು ಹೇಳಾಯ್ತು.
my lord.
ಈಗ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಣ.
Allegation is that, my lord, the petitioner abused the, abused the respondent.
Abuse the respondent.
Yes, my lord.
Taking the name of the caste.
Caste.
Correct?
Yes, my lord.
Which part of official duty is that for a sanction?
She is nothing to do with that man.
Ah.
She is visited the spot to verify the work progress, my lord. Working was progress in the said place.
Hmm.
She is visited on the color of the duty, my lord.
Color of the duty?
And she is a public servant. She went to the spot and there was exchange of
She
work.
should have come back from the spot.
There is a case and counter case also.
That's all right. She should have come back from the spot without uttering anything.
My lord,
Hurling of abuses taking the name of the caste is no part of official duty to take sanction. Sanction is in discharge of official duty.
Yes, my lord.
Hmm.
He abused the chairman and president of the panchayat, my lord.
ಯಾರು?
Complainant, respondent.
ನೀವು ಕೇಸ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, registered. my-
ಅದೇನಾಗಿದೆ?
It is pending in the principal civil judge, my lord.
ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ಲಿ.
No, my lord. The application was filed before the sessions court, special court, where the case and counter case should be transferred to this court.
ಹೌದು,
to
ಬಿಕಾಸ್
try-
atrocities act ಇದೆ.
Yes, my lord.
Hmm.
Case and counter case should be tried together. Application is made before the principal judge, session judge, my lord. It is under progress. my lord.
Yes, sir.
Still, today, the case is not transferred from civil judge to the
Yes.
special court. my lord. The case is pending and, my lord, the delay in filing complaint for 4 days, my lord.
4 days, not
Yes.
fatal.
My lord,
Not fatal.
delaying,
When did you file?
that to my lord, in a special case, there is a lot of improvement in the complaint. And they misuse the SC/ST Act itself, my lord. And the president was.
No, I would have straight away accepted your submission, but for the eyewitnesses that are there. 17 eyewitnesses.
17 eyewitnesses, all the other caste people are turned hostile, my lord. 164 statement was recorded.
That's all right, no problem. That doesn't mean every witness will, the content of every witness statement will be brushed aside.
And one annexer G, my lord, one statement, 164 statement, my lord. ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯವರಿಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಮಾತುಕತೆ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಆಗ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾದ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಸುನೀತ್ ಎಂಬುವರು ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಯ್ತು ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ಜಾತಿ ನಿಂದನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅನಂತರ ನಾವೇ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳು.
ನೀವು ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಈಗ? ಪಂಚಾಯತ್?
ಪಟ್ಟಣ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್.
ಹಾ, ಅಲ್ವಾ? You're an elected member.
Yes, sir.
And you know very well who the complainant is. So all probability that you would have heard abuses. If you had not known who the complainant was, it's a different.
No, I'm not aware of his
Yes, sir,
caste.
you're an elected representative. You should know who are they, where are they. Yes, you can't feign ignorance.
And there is a case and counter case. my lord.
Correct. When that is pending, why should this not be pending?
Till today, there is no
ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
progress, my lord.
Facing trial.
ಅದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ.
Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಆಗಿದೆ sir.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ charges
In one case, charges.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
ಇದರ
Come,
charges
in our case, charges is framed, summons was issued.
ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Oh, coordinate bench stay.
Case
No,
number
stay is granted on your submission that 4 days delay without explanation.
Yes, my lord.
I am saying it is not fatal.
It is, FIR is not fatal to the prosecution, no, nothing to do.
ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳಿ. Yes.
There is lot of
Anything else, sir?
disturbances are there, my lord. They misuse the law, my lord. That's
ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೊಡೆದಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
It's my list.
Dismissed.
Yeah,
10 and 11.
10 and 11, madam, connected matter.
Huh?
10 and 11 are both connected matter.
I know, yes.
The allegation is that, my lord, in the first case, I cheated CW.
Which para 14, page 7, you're pleading, which is the CC 5727 of 2016?
That is the very next matter, my lord.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ offences,
Same offenses.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
No, my lord.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡುವ.
Please.
Yes. The counsel for the petitioner takes this court through the pleading and the documents.
ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿ.
ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು? Second matter. Takes
this
this
is,
court through the documents appended to the petition to demonstrate that a crime that had already been registered is reiterated in the companion petition. In the light of the crime pending, charge sheet being filed on the very same set of fact in ಯಾವ writ petition ಅದು?
Okay.
In writ petition 1014
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
Criminal
ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್
petition
1014 of 2024, there shall be an interim order of stay of all further proceedings in CC so and so in criminal petition 958 of 2024.
Please.
Yes.
The matter, notice me.
1 and 2 ಅದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Please.
Next.
Oblige. Serial number
11 same. ಅಲ್ಲ 11 ಆಯ್ತು, ಈಗ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಎರಡು. ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ದಿ 2 ಎರಡು ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಟ್ಯಾಗ್
Oblige.
both. Huh? Yes, sir.
Lordship, last Monday I was listed.
You have no time to think over 498 you are the husband, ಹೇಳಿ
Yes,
ಆಮೇಲೆ.
yes, my lord.
ಹಾ.
My lordship, I just wanted to.
One
draw the
addition,
attention of
Just
this
framed,
court
my
that-
lord. and
charges framed
evidence has
already.
come.
Yes, yes, partly examined,
Huh?
but I just want to.
We
draw
will
the attention of
conclude
this-
direct conclusion of trial.
Yes, ma'am.
Husband, I am not staying also.
It's different, it's separate, it's staying in West Bengal itself.
Oh, but I will not stay in Karnataka. Sir, ಅವ್ರು ಇರೋದು ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. But husband is the only accused. I will not stay anything against the husband. Charges are framed.
Yes.
Let it's trial of 2017.
70.
8 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ. 6 ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗ್ಸಕ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು my lordship, but
ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ?
one thing I
ಹೇಳಿ.
want to draw my lordship. Page number 63 my lordship. MFA dismiss ಆಗಿದೆ. MFA challenged by the respondent wife.
Wife.
Yes, my lordship.
MFA again order of divorce.
Yes, my lordship. MC.
That's all right. ಯಾವಾಗ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ?
October, 3rd October 2023 sir.
ಕ್ರೂಯಲ್ಟಿ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ. That's why.
Yes, comment.
My lord, in
ಇಲ್ಲ
this,
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್
frame, my
this
lord,
is
frame
subsequent event. So why should the husband face trial?
It is very clear, my lordship.
What is clear?
Making reckless allegation without substantiate the same would amount to the mental cruelty to the respondent husband. It is admitted that the appellant wife has.
Cruelty to the husband.
Yes, ma'am.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್?
Page number 63, para 13, my lordship.
ಬೇರಾ?
Page number 63, para 13. 7th line. my lordship.
The petitioner is before this court at the stage when the concerned court has set the matter for framing of charges. The petitioner projects a subsequent event to the charge sheet filed before the concerned court in CC so and so of 2017. That is an order passed in the miscellaneous first appeal by the division bench. The finding of the division bench in which the wife had challenged the order of divorce granted by the family court. The observation is that there was cruelty by the wife on the husband and not vice versa. The further finding is that the husband was residing along with his mother in West Bengal throughout, and therefore he could not have meted out any torture to the wife as is alleged. The finding would prima facie become applicable to the facts of the case. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings before the concerned court. The petition, concerned court, one addition, HCGP 2 emergent notice returnable by the 19th. Yes, sir. Husband.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ borrower,
Borrow, sorry,
borrower, what has happened, the builder,
But in
he
the
built
last
about.
occasion, petitioner was directed to serve the copy on this standing council of here.
Served on the standing council.
ಯಾಕೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಅಕ್ನಾಲೆಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
I produced it.
ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್.
Yes,
my lord.
But what has happened?
ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಡೆ ಮಾರಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು?
Andre, I am the borrower.
ಐ ನೋ.
The builder, my lord, what he did, he got the loans from for about 20, 30 people. 30 people he has got the loans. After taking against the builder, there is an FIR. I am not a beneficiary of any amount. The
Third
money has
Learned
gone
Senior
direct.
Counsel Shri Vivek Reddy appearing for the petitioner. The petitioner, a borrower, appears to have been caught in the crossfire between
Yes.
the bank and the developer. It transpires the developer, after executing certain agreements with many, including the petitioner, has mortgaged the properties and borrowed loan
Yes.
from the bank and has defaulted in payment. Against the borrower, the crime is accused number 1 now.
Yes.
The borrower, the developer accused.
Andre developer ಮೇಲೆ
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
The developer, against the developer, the bank has already filed a complaint which
Bank
is
ಇಲ್ಲ.
now pending investigation.
ಅದೇ So the bank hakilla, borrowers have.
Whoever, sing Madi. The developer has also been, a crime is pending against the developer as well. In the light of the said circumstance, till the appearance of the bank before the court, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings list on 18th.
Please, please, oblige.
Next. Post immediately after service ಏನು ಬೇಕಂತ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ ಮಾಡಿ No representation behalf of the petitioner list after 2 weeks. Pendency of this petition will not come in the way of further investigation or proceeding. Yes, next.
Before petitioner, my lord, in the last date of hearing, my lordship directed to get the status of the matter to the HCGP.
Comment.
My lord, it is for framing of charge, my lord, for the trial court. 20th, 7/24, the next day.
So counter blast, my lord, has been filed.
ಯಾವ blast?
Lord,
Counter blast.
we have filed a complaint.
ಯಾವುದು?
We have second complaint, man. This is a
Case,
complaint.
counter case ಇದೆ. that
Case
is
and
what-
counter case.
Counter
They-
blast
we-
ಅಲ್ಲ,
sorry,
counter
sorry.
case.
Sorry.
Yes, ಒಂದ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ನಡೀಲಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, property belongs to the petitioner.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಸರ್ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್?
ನಾವೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಟ್ರೆಸ್ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಟ್ರೆಸ್ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
447.
Yes.
ಅದು 447, 341, 323.
Friday, fresh matters list. Yes, next.
Friday, Monday.
ಬೇಡವಾ?
Monday. Friday I will be not.
Yes. ನೀವು ಇರಲ್ವ Friday?
I will be not.
Monday.
My lord, in the last occasion, the matter was heard, my lord. Directed to seek information with regards to the compensation,
ಅಲ್ವಾ
my
madam?
lord.
16.
6.
Compensation.
Compensation, my lord. The management, my lord, as initially, my lord, has agreed to pay 2,50,000 rupees, my lord. And
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
initially, my lord, the management has paid 50,000, my lord. Now, my lord, the complainant also is no more, my lord.
So what?
Deceased
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅವ್ರ ತಾಯಿ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ತೀರೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Deceased person ತಾಯಿ ತೀರೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, no brother and sister. That is the
In
problem.
Learned
Management,
counsel for the petitioner submits, none in the family of the complainant is alive today for receipt of any compensation, even if the petitioner wants to pay.
management has
Find
to
out
pay.
Even if the
Manage-
management stroke petitioner wants to pay, the learned HCGP to secure instructions in that regard and make his submissions. On 2 weeks ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ.
Please.
And 10 days ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. List on 18th.
Till then, my lord.
Till then, further proceedings where the petitioner shall remain stayed.
Please.
18th in the fresh matters list. No ground, discharge ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. List on next Wednesday ಹಾಕಿನಿ. Fresh matters. Wednesday ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವತ್ತಿದೆ ಬೆಂಚ್? 11th ಅಲ್ಲ? 10th ಹಾಕಿ, fresh matters list.
Please, 18 and 19 are corrected matters. Regarding
yes, sir.
the release of
Forest.
vehicle.
Take notice.
Please.
ಇದು 155 ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ಅವರು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕಬಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ. We'll hear it on Wednesday again. Notice ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೇನೆ.
Please.
The learned HCGP is directed to accept notice for the respondents. Jagdish ಅವರೇ, forest offense same. So and so, list on 10th, both these matters. A1 is dropped, why? A1 is dropped, why?
Initially, FIR is registered against the original
ನೀವ್
tahsil.
ಯಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಓ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟಾ?
Please,
ಹಾ.
original.
ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Please. The original tahsildar is the A1. Initially, FIR is registered and the provisions of PC Act, my lord. Subsequently, on the investigation by the Lokayukta, came to know that the accused number 3 acted as the tahsildar,
Oh.
saying that I am the Mohan, who is the tahsildar, and had a conversation with the complainant. And accused number 2 made him to call, and he had received 1,20,000 rupees. Now, my lord, after investigation, charge sheet was filed before the magistrate, not before
Not
the
before
Lokayukta
special
court, jurisdictional court.
Yes, Siddaramaiah.
That this honorable court has
Kodi.
said that Lokayukta has no
No
jurisdiction.
jurisdiction on private servants,
Yes.
only public servants. Kodi.
That is in the case of
It has to
initially,
be
my lord,
transferred to regular
Read,
court,
sir.
para number.
Anything else? ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Yes, sir.
That's all, my lord. That is the
Ante.
point. Lokayukta has no jurisdiction to investigate against
Hmm.
private person. That is the legal point we have raised.
That's all. Facts ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ ಕೇಸ್. Why did you pose yourself as a Tahsildar?
No, we have not forced. This is the allegation made against.
there is a, there's a voice
Point
sample.
three, both
We are taken a voice sample and we can,
FSL
yes, but it tested positive.
discharge ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಹೆಂಗು ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು. ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವ್ರೆ
With that observation.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಲ್ದೇ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಯಾಕೆ? That observation is always there. Next.
Please.
50 Chandesh short ಆಯ್ತಾರ? I'll take it later.
33
ಗೊತ್ತು ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್.
Wakalat
filed at office. Weeks time may be granted to file objection.
311 application.
311 applicant.
2012 CC.
Malad,
ಇನ್ನು
2012
ಏನು
2018
C-
is a CC Malad.
It's all right. 2012 crime.
2012 में 138 Malad.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. So
Take-
what? No.
Jurisdiction wise is the transfer the petition 2018 is a.
At least because of the judgment. of the Supreme
Wakalat
Court.
filed at 2018 Malad. Respondent.
ಸರಿ.
Only for one time.
ಎಷ್ಟನೇ
the
ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದು?
First time application, further chip. Only one application Malad.
ಆಯ್ತು, look into it and come.
Aye.
Learn, registry to print the name of so and so as appearing for the rest. Next date ಏನು?
Next 6th ಗೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ day after ಮಾತ್ರ.
6th Friday ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Friday.
Saturday. Yes. List the matter on Friday in the fresh matters list.
Meanwhile.
Meanwhile, 5th. Yes. ಅವತ್ತು
ನಿಮ್ಮ-
ನೋಡು. ಮಧುಸೂದನ್.
Fifth petitioner, my lord.
Both of you are for Madhusudan?
Sir, no, sir.
My lord, actually,
Yes.
we filed the NOC Wakalat in the matter,
What's your name, madam?
under the name of Mr. Vamshi Krishna. My name is
Registry to delete the name of Madhusudan G and print the name of Vamsi Krishna
Vamshi Krishna. She has been
as
filed-
appearing for one. I'll get back to you. As appearing for the petitioner. Yes. Charge sheet hakidara? Charge sheet is filed, you may have to challenge the charge sheet.
Thank you, my lord. We just got the file as well, so if you
No
can.
problem. You
There's a
build up the
stay, sir.
file by filing the charge sheet.
There's a stay in the matter, right?
Is it stay?
Yes, my lord. It was granted on first.
Stay? In favor of the husband, stay? No stay?
We were informed as thus, so
Oh, it's wrong information.
Granted on the last occasion, your lordship.
Sorry. For the first time, it is coming today. It had come on non-compliance of office. Serial number yaud, madam?
23.
23, right? Yes,
Yes.
23. Prashant Rudrappa.
Yes.
Yes. First time it is coming.
Okay. Yes.
So now that the charge sheet is filed, you will have to file a fresh petition challenging the charge sheet. Yes. Heard so and so on Thaki. Yes.
Great.
Dispose with liberty to file to challenge the charge sheet. Yes.
Victim is a lady, my lord. Victim is a lady, my lord. She was working in a metro as a PSI. and,
Victim is a lady, I know.
yes, And accused is a-
354D, stalking.
and accused is also a PSI.
Accused is also PSI. Yeah.
Working together, my lord.
What is this police harassing police?
Yes. He is in, as per the pleadings, they were in love.
ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ. No representation by of the petitioner, heard the learned additional SPP. List the matter, as a last chance, list the matter on Friday in the fresh matters list. EPF,
Please, Malad.
In
Malad,
the
senior
in
is
the-
not keeping well.
in the meantime, ask him to recover. Yes.
Monday, Malad.
In the meantime, ask him to recover. Madam, meantime, yes. Next. Stay granted. Wound certificate.
Is allowed.
For the petitioners, my lord.
wound certificate ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
At annexure K, my lords. Adre, the doctor who issued the wound certificate.
He's not qualified.
No, my lords. So if you peruse the B report, my lords, he himself opines that the injury could also occur due to an accidental fall. And the allegation is that I have,
But police had filed the B report.
please, my lords, police came to file the B
Anyway,
report.
we'll see, because the order is rescinded on the protest petition. You may not have that ground. Let us see.
Please, my lords, please.
Heard the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner.
My lords, if I may just make
One additional SPP, two emergent notice returnable by 24th. There shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings in CC 977 of 2023 till the next date of
My lord,
hearing.
even the sworn statement is recorded by the
You
advocate.
want me to allow the petition now? Yes. Interim order ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಲ್ಸ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. Yes. A5 498A, nothing, Kashkan. Next. Seventy-nine eighty 103 gambling, Andar bar,
I have received the papers.
Andar bar. Anyway, ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. Monday in the fresh matters list, no representation.
Yes,
The petitioner next.
For the
2930,
Yes, my lord.
ink on the complaint is not even dried. 26/6/2024 is the crime. And you're already here. He is also here because it's a joint development agreement.
Yes,
No, my lords, I am not the developer.
he is the.
That's all right.
One of
Yes,
the
sir.
purchasers of the flat.
With respect to this,
So
they
it
have
arises out of a joint development.
development
case.
agreement, with respect to that, they have filed with respect to this crime number, they have filed a writ petition. Today the matter came up.
Writ petition na?
GM police
The
file
writ
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
petition that came
ಯಾಕೆ?
before my lords on the GM police.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು
ಅಲ್ಲೇ
And crime
Senior
number,
Sriranga appeared there.
GM police ಹೆಂಗಾಗತ್ತೆ ಇದು?
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಮತ್ತೆ?
I had filed an earlier writ petition
ಹಾ.
where my allegation against the police was that they are not inquiring. And my lords had
ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
directed conducting of Mazar. Subsequently, there is another complaint
ಅದೇ
filed
that
against
house
me.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಹೌದು.
ಹಾ.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ಅದು-
Again,
ಅಲ್ಲ,
there is another
ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಇವಾಗ
complaint
ಈ
filed
crime
against
number
me.
ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ Friday they have approached the ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಟ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. In the writ petition, they have got an interim order saying that police should not interfere without due accordance to law ಅಂತ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ
The police
ಆಂಟಿಸಿಪೇಟರಿ ಬೇಲ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
anticipatory bail is pending today, my lord. Lords may kindly have it next week on Monday or
Seek bail
Wednesday.
and come list on 12th.
Please.
Don't play with the law.
No, my lord.
Yes. B report is accepted.
Lord, B report is accepted because there's no protest petition filed, my lord. Protest petition was supposed to be filed by the complainant, who himself has colluded with the.
That's what you
accused.
told, but since it is closed, we have to notify others.
Please, my lord, notice has been issued and it's been served to.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ sir? Notice issue ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
My lord, it's been issued. my
ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
lord. Yes, my lord. This is the fourth time since the vacation, the matter is coming up before this court.
All right.
I'm the victim.
ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದಾರಾ? ಯಾವತ್ತು ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಹಾಕಿದೆ ಜಯರಾಜ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ? R3. We'll wait for a week. List on 10th, finally. Then we'll pass some orders.
Fresh matter.
Fresh matter.
Please.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೋಗೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ?
Short question.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್.
Respondent.
Affidavit
What-
evidence.
Oh.
It is covered earlier. Friday in the fresh matters list awaiting the counsel for the petitioner.
Please.
ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ there is a problem.
Friday, Monday, man.
ಆಯ್ತು Monday ಬೇಡ Tuesday ಬರ.
Tuesday.
Tuesday in the fresh matters list. Yes.
Great.
164 statement.
Prosecution.
Really.
Not the
It is in
matter.
sealed cover. Magistrate said that without the order of High Court, I can't give it to you. So your lordship may pass an order.
But even on the last occasion, there is an order, my lord, that they should produce.
The police are sitting there and
The,
Matter is day after.
this court, wait a minute. This court on 28/6/2024 had directed production of the statement under 164 CRPC on the ground that it is in the custody of the magistrate. The learned additional SPP submits that the magistrate is not willing to furnish it on the score that it is in a sealed cover. Therefore, the registry is directed to forthwith secure the sealed cover from the hands of the magistrate, which contains the 164 statement of the victim, and produce it before the court on the next date of hearing. List on Friday. Till such time, the concerned court shall defer the proceedings.
Grateful.
Yes.
Here for the petitioner, my lord. This is with
52A.
Yes, my.
Ah.
52A. my
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ
lord.
reasons ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ.
Yes, my lord. That is the submission, my lord. I cross-verified with the court records, my lord. In the charge sheet, my lord, that particular certificate is not available. Whereas, my lord, that particular proceeding has been conducted and order has been passed to that effect. If a judicial order has been passed, my lord, to that effect, my lord, which is not part of the charge sheet, there is a non-compliance of section 273 of the CRPC.
You are changing your argument.
No, I am not changing, my lord. It is an admitted position that, my lord, the certificate is not available in the charge sheet papers, my lord. The charge sheet which has been laid
ಇದೆಯಾ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್? ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು.
in the charge sheet, I have obtained, once again, I have obtained the certified copy.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. This is a judicial order has been passed even before filing of the charge sheet, and that particular judicial order which has been passed, it is not part of the charge sheet. And there is a pro forma which has been provided with respect of the certificate, and that particular certificate should be part of the annexure 2, that is an application. And that conspicuously that certificate is missing. And that has been not produced. The one more aspect is that, my lord, once the sampling is completed, they are supposed to destruct it. The reason is that, my lord, as per the Union of India versus Mohan.
Destroy the sample.
Yes, my lord. As well as the bulk. And that particular.
ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
That certificate is also not available. The reason is that, my lord, in Union of India versus Mohanlal, the same bulk should not rotate and should not be misused for implicating others. And that certificate is also not available.
Is not, this is the new ground which my learned friend is taking now.
So we'll have to counter that new term. We'll give a new date.
Yes, ma'am.
Next ಏನಿದೆ? Next date.
I am not seeking any relief, my lord,
Then,
as an interim prayer, but
ಅವ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಕಲ್.
ಹೌದು. ಅವ್ರದಲ್ಲೂ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ.
ಅವ್ರದಲ್ಲೂ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಎರಡು 10
ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್.
I'll take it on 10th then.
Yes, ma'am.
Madam, 10th ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 10th.
Yes.
Yes, both on 10th.
My lord, I will prepare a short note, my lord. I will also share with the learned.
It is also necessary.
Yes,
Yes.
much.
21 ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇದು?
My lord,
ಅನಂತಪುರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್.
please, my lord. My lord, in this, my lord, an endorsement is issued.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕೇಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್. No endorsement is issued to me. Let them issue endorsement, I will verify.
ಒಂದು NCR ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಅವ್ರೇನೋ ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ.
6/1/2024 endorsement is already issued.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, till today no endorsement is issued. I will verify it and pay. Again,
ಕೊಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
2 months back, I had been to a commissioner's office.
ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ.
Because similar set of facts, my lord, the complaint is investigated by Anandpur police, my lord. The present petitioner has also given his statement before the concerned police. The allegation are one and the same, and the entire transaction.
No, endorsement. Last year is the complaint. Till today, they are not issuing any endorsement. Now this is
the amount which my learned friend.
Let them get endorsement.
ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
Monday,
Tuesday. Yes, Ravishankar sir.
My lords, appearing for the
AEAEE 304A.
Fixing of criminal liability in negligence based on general duties of supervision.
Yes, sir.
Not permissible, my lords, is what the courts have held.
Kodi, sir.
Lords, yes. Lords, that's one judgment, my lords, of Madras High Court, my lords. Gunishekar versus State has taken the specific view, my lords, that based on a general duty of supervision, it cannot be done. But in this case, my lords, peculiarly, if your lords were to take page number 73, page 66 is the orders of the coordinate bench. Lords, where
66.
Yes, my lords.
Yes, sir.
At page 73, page 70 at page 73, my lords.
What is this order, sir?
My lords, there was an order of suspension passed.
That is revoked.
My lords, that is set aside by this honorable court based on the report which was submitted by the electrical inspectorate, which is the final authority for conducting the inspection.
This is not set aside by the division bench?
My lords, no, my lords.
Okay, yes.
So this, as a matter of fact, was referred to, my lords. By referring to this matter, There is another matter which was concluded before the division bench, which is virtually upheld this order. So the suspension stood set aside and this order has become final. Now the only authorities which can give a report as to whether there is a negligence or not is the electrical inspectorate under the scheme of the act. So once the report is given that there is no negligence, if your lordships were to take page 72.
Where is the report?
Lord's report is extracted. Yes, Lord's report is extracted, the relevant portion. If I were to permit to read the report, Lords.
Who is the complainant?
Lords, complainant is the authority itself. Lords. The complainant is by the deceased husband, Santosh Kumar. A reading of the said report would indicate that no specific allegation of wrongdoing has been attributed. Observation of the report basically indicate that the incident would have been prevented if certain preventive measures had been taken. Lords, there is a low voltage which is passed, which has not triggered the tripping system. That is the report. On account of the snapping.
That's anything else, sir?
That's the statement, my lords. If your lordships.
Short accommodation. Why? Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Charge sheet is not filed, my lords.
Investigation papers. Look into these orders that are passed by the coordinate bench. Heard the learned senior counsel D.R. Ravishankar appearing for the petitioner. List on next Friday, 12th in the fresh matters list. Again, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ?
Let them not file the charge sheet without the leave of the court.
Yes, the learned HCGP is directed to secure the investigation papers and place it before the court. Adilde ಆಗದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಇದು TCR ತರಿಸ್ದಂಗೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಕೊಡೋ ಬದಲು. Yes.
Please, minutes.
Next. Get the investigation papers. I'll take it on Tuesday. There is nothing in this.
I filed one synopsis, my lords.
Main petition le ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, synopsis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ?
Bari FIR has been registered.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ investigation papers.
Definitely, my lord.
Learned HCGP is directed to accept notice for the respondent, secure the investigation papers and place before the court. Next.
In the meantime, my lords.
In the meantime, next. Tuesday, sir. Tuesday in the fresh matters list.
Much over.
Furnishing of FPF. 10 days time is granted to do the needful. Entry ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ continue ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ madam. Vacating stay. Vacating stay.
Please, my lords, the matter can be heard finally. I can.
We'll hear it finally.
My lordship.
One ನಿಮಿಷ. What's
My lords,
498 ಏನ?
No, my lords. What happens is.
Yes,
the
my lordship.
husband's-
498 ಏನ?
Yes.
No, my lords. Husband's maternal uncle, my lords, has been roped in as accused number 7, my lords, after the charge sheet is filed.
The petition concerns only accused number 7?
Please, my lords. Now,
ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿದೆ? ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ತಳಿ.
My lordship, this is a serious cruelty because this is the instigator, is an immediate mother-in-law's brother, my lordship. This is the intercaste marriage between Reddys and this is because of that. My lordship, this is he's the instigator, he's the main this one auction.
Director.
Yes, my lordship. He's the instigator and director for this this incident, my lordship. Amal pray not to
Not to quash.
yes, yes.
We will do it. Yes. No, madam.
My lordship, yes.
Instigator cannot be dragged into this 498. What cruelty?
My lordship, cruelty is that when she enters, means respondent 2 enters, he made her to sit outside the house only. They're not allowed to enter inside. They're not giving proper food. Small child, baby, serious cruelty, my lordship. I will file detail.
No, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು mother-in-law,
No,
husband.
my lordship, including him also, my lordship. This is just because of the intercaste
ಅವರು
marriage.
ಚೇರ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತಿದ್ರಾ? ಅವರು.
Even I can produce that photographs also, my lordship. This-
I'm not interested in seeing his photograph.
let's please have 52 for a moment.
Wait, sir.
Sorry.
Yes.
My lordship, there's a reason, my lordship. This serious cruelty, my lordship.
Serious.
Yes, my lordship.
Yes.
52, my lords, for a moment.
Maybe, my lordship, they are elders, they have to be moral for the society, but they are doing just because of a caste. That's not correct, my lordship. This trial, fair trial is very much necessary, my lordship.
Fair trial ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
No, my lordship, for him.
What about others? Are facing trial?
They are, my lords. I'm not.
Now
aware
it
of
is
time of
straight.
accused
You
number
should know
seven.
everything, sir. What is happening to
For
others?
accused number 7, the other people are facing trial. my lords.
My lordship, these are
But I can't
What has
possibly-
happened, madam?
very much important.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ತಾಳಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಡ.
PW has been issued, my lords.
ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲ?
Yes, my lordship.
Why? He has
410
not
is the
appeared?
date, Not appeared before the trial.
Yes, my lordship.
410?
410,
Twen-
next date, hearing date.
Next date is 410. 366 stay ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ?
Stay against other accused.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಪಿಯರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು. Why have you not appeared before the court?
I'll verify this fact, my lords. Not verify, but I'll get back to your lordships on the next date regarding why he's.
We'll vacate the interim order for some time.
Yes,
You
my lord.
appear and then come back to the court, we will re-grant it.
That'll be a little difficult, my lords. Your lordships may have it on Friday, tomorrow, any day.
Yes. List on 18th.
Lords, interim order.
Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing.
Please, make.
18th, madam. Post immediately after service of notice upon the second respondent, interim order idea. Subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. Next. 10 days time to do the needful. Interim order idre continue ಮಾಡಿ. Next. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
Given instructions to file.
40?
41, my lord.
Learned counsel so and so enters, undertakes to enter appearance for so and so, registered in the name of so and so.
My lord, a date may be fixed for this.
Huh?
A date may be fixed because
We'll fix it, sir.
Your lordship, the necessary step is taken today and along with the IO.
Don't take unnecessary steps, sir. He's already
ಒಂದು
here.
ಕಾಪಿ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ.
Yes. Petitioner to serve set of papers upon the aforesaid counsel forthwith. List the matter on 23rd.
Grateful.
Your lordship, kindly extension of IO. IO.
Interim order subsist, interim order ಇದೆಯಾ? List the matter on 23rd ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 weeks ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Interim order standard, yes.
Much obliged.
Appear for the petition lordship.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
Interim order.
2 weeks to do the needful. Interim order granted earlier stands extended to the next date of hearing. Next.
I pay the petitioner, my lord.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
Interim order is
2 weeks. Post immediately for service of notice upon so and so, interim order next. Interim order idea. Post immediately after service of notice upon the second respondent next. 45.
45, my lords. My lords, the objection I submitted twice on 12/6 also I had submitted before my lords that they have refused service. The counsel appearing for the respondent has refused service before the trial court, citing that he does not appear before the high court.
Issue notice to the.
I've already taken steps, my lords.
Emergent notice to the respondent returnable by 24th.
My lords, notice was issued, my lords, on 12/6. I have already taken process. my lords.
Agar early wait. Yes, so and so. Learned counsel submits needful has been done. Office to verify. Next.
My lords, the date may kindly be fixed, my lords.
Wait. Yes.
Grateful.
46.
For the petitioner, my lord.
Huh?
Copy have been served to respondent number 2 and 3.
Copy. Where is the acknowledgement? ಇದು 138 ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂತು ಮೇಡಮ್? ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? List after 2 weeks. Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. In terms of post immediately after service of notice upon the second respondent. Interim order idea?
My lord, interim order is not there. London Senior Council is appearing, my lords. It has been done.
Interim order is not yet granted, my lords.
Then Friday, fresh matters.
Lordships, please, my lords.
Investigation papers have been secured.
ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ. Friday give it. Yes.
Please, my lords.
ವಾಪಸ್ ಕಳ್ಸೋಡ್ಬೇಡಿ. Keep it. Yes. ಇಲ್ಲ, give it, madam. Look into the papers and come. ನಾಳೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಬಂದಾಗ.
He is an habitual offender, my lords. In UAE also an FIR has been registered.
No, ಕೊಡಿ. Let me see.
In total 6 FIRs against him.
Against him.
All efforts have been taken, my lords. There was a transaction.
Senior counsel ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು.
My lords, there are series of transactions which started from the purchasing of an apartment by me. Everything else started.
Where?
My lords, I purchased an apartment here in Bangalore. Now there is a force that I should resell the apartment back at a particular price, for which multiple FIRs are registered. Each one of it is stayed by this honorable court.
Right. Yes.
Friday, my lords, in the
Friday, fresh matters.
Great.
ಅದು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಫೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ready. Yes, Nisha madam. What happened?
My lord, petitioner has lost faith in any amicable settlement. My lord, I could not persuade him. Now
Lost
it is
faith.
coming. It is coming on me, my lord, to the extent that I unduly influenced him to surrender to the
No,
wishes of the
don't
other.
worry about all that. Court
My
is,
lord, may I kindly hear the
court is
matter?
always there, but today where can?
My lord,
Yeah,
tomorrow.
day after tomorrow, Friday.
My lord, may I kindly have it tomorrow?
Tomorrow difficult because list is already out.
My lord.
Day after tomorrow,
My lord, I
definitely.
may kindly be permitted to pass on the written submissions and all.
Whatever you want to pass, you pass. Yes, list day after tomorrow in the fresh matters list. We'll definitely hear you on Friday.
Okay.
Lords, ಇನ್ನೂ 2 petition ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. Accused number 2123 ಇನ್ನೂ 2 petition ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Petition 12280 of 20.
Not able to follow. You're not well? You're not well?
No.
Then come on Tuesday.
My lord, two more petitions have to be connected.
Yes. Give it.
Criminal petition number 12280 of 23.
Better write and give it.
Oh.
Yes. Tag this petition along with so and so, list them all on interim order idea.
ಇದೆ.
List them all after 2 weeks. Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. Next. 50. Oh, then, yes.
A short accommodation.
51.
Please.
Adu ನೀವೇನಾ?
APA for this.
Yes, Sunil Kumar. Where is he?
Non matter ಇತ್ತು sir.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ. Same day. Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇದೆ.
ನೀವು ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
I have to file.
File.
Please.
Once you file, move it.
Please.
Yes, 2 weeks. IO.
Interim order.
Yes.
I'm appearing for the petitioner in this matter, my lord. 3 and 4 of female might be taken up on 23rd, my lord.
Vacating stay this.
My lord, there's no stay in this.
But vacating. Oh,
Stay has
52,
been
sorry. When do you want it?
On 23rd.
23rd, yes. List on 23rd. Idral vacating stay. Yeah, state ಹಾಕಿರೋ vacating stay na.
For the respondent.
Who has filed vacating stay? Mediation report.
53 mediation.
List on 12th awaiting the report of the mediation.
Lords, the date is, it's given a date on 19th, my lords.
Mediation,
Yes,
list on 24th.
please.
Yes. 54.
Filed wakalat yesterday, I need time to
Tenant
file
counsel
application.
so and so submits that he has entered appearance for the second respondent registry to print the name of so and so is appearing for the second respondent. Enter ಮಾಡಿದೆ madam?
Weeks time may be granted.
Yes, sir. Counsel seeks 2 weeks time to file statement of objections. IO. Madam ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. IO. Next.
For the petitioner.
Huh?
Petitioners.
Second respondent is not present even today. There is no time. There is no, this court on 5/6/2024 had passed the following order. There is no representation for the respondent, second respondent complainant even today. Therefore, as a last chance, list this matter on 10th in the fresh matters list. In the event he would not, in the event there is no representation, the petitioner would be heard and orders will be passed. Interim
My
order
lord, I
subsisting
appear for
shall
the
continue to
petitioner in the
next.
connected matter.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್?
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 55 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಈ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Please, in the connected matter, my lord.
So he is appearing petitioner in the connected matter.
In the connected matter, I am the petitioner, my lord.
Petitioner in connected matter. Who is the respondent here? Same respondent.
Same, my lord.
The same order, list on 10th, yes.
Please, interim order may kindly be issued.
They already done. Yes, next.
Grateful, great.
Let's 306 millard, partly heard millard. And the last time also, lastly, finally it is urgent to today. And
ಯಾಕೆ?
because the other side has taken the time, more than 3 times he has taken the time.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Interim order.
4 ಪೇಜ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡೋ ನಾನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ಕಂಚನ್ ಶರ್ಮಾ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬರ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡ. 10ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಇನ್ ಕೋಟ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮೇಡಮ್. ನೋ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂದಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅದೇ ತರ. ಸೇಮ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ಇಂಟ್ರಿಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಟಿಲ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
For the petition.
Case of agreement for sale, my lord, during the pendency, one more sale it is executed and my lord.
Interim order is there.
My lord had suggested whether
Yo,
they are
settlement.
paying whether they could pay the amount that was the.
The
addition.
21,60,000 amount which you have taken by the petitioner, man, that I am ready to pay.
That was in 2013.
ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುಂಟು?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ
Now it's
ಅಲ್ಲ, they can't file a criminal case at all.
That will see.
They can't file a criminal case
Interest
at all.
interest ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ?
The 10 years back, the sale agreement. was
ಅವತ್ತೇ
executed with
ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು
parties.
ವಾಪಸ್ಸು.
21,60,000, I am ready to pay.
No problem. If you face trial, you will pay some more.
cashew factory,
So with modified
business
intention.
and
Who is
cashew
that?
factory.
Let's see, the complainant, let's, because on the settlement proposal, we are ready for the, this thing, if some interest is paid, then because.
Look at it. If you want to escape trial, you can't, two options.
Yes.
You can escape trial and not escape interest.
But with modified intention. the
ಅದು ನೋಡಿ
present
ಆಮೇಲೆ
complaint
ನಿಮ್
came to
ಬೋನಫೈಡ್ಸ್
be
ಏನಿದೆ
filed.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
No experience at all. So
We'll answer.
21,60,000, I am ready to pay.
ಸೇಲ್ ಯಾರಿಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
But I am ready
Third
to
party
pay.
without informing third party.
ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಾಯ್ತು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬೇಕು ಆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ. Something you have to return.
Sale agreement.
Right.
After
Yes.
lapse of 10 years.
ಸೇಲ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಹಾಕಿತ್ತಾ?
21,60,000.
Was it
Our
the-
documents
Was
ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು.
time the essence of the contract, the agreement?
And company is
Clearly.
not.
Or
added as
was
a
it,
party.
was it with condition that you have to fulfill something and only then sale agreement will be executed?
Title deeds.
What was the agreement? So there will be some condition.
And company has not made as a party in this case.
ಕಂಪನಿಯ?
Yes.
ಓ ನೋಡೋಣ. Yes. ಆಮೇಲೆ
Legal issues are involved.
ಏನ್ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕಂಪನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 5 ವರ್ಷ ನಡೀಲಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. Some
Well,
interest.
whatever mentioned in my reply notice, I am ready to pay.
That is reply notice is 2013.
17/6/2023.
23.
We issued notice there.
ಈಗ
By that
issue
time,
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ notice?
by that time, he replies and he has already sold to somebody else without
All
informing
right,
us.
see, both of you are at fault. You have also slept over your rights. So amicably settle something and leave it. ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡಿ. ಈ 21 so and so ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಕ್ ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡಿ. We'll close everything here. You should finish this. All right. yes.
They are sold for a higher, very higher price.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನಾರು ಇರ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೀವು 10 ವರ್ಷ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ. Both of you are at fault.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ
So instead,
ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ
instead
all
of filing
communications
the,
show.
instead of filing the suit for seizing of the contract.
All legal points, I am also aware. I can straight away dismiss or allow the petition here.
Yes.
That's a different thing. But let the problem get solved once for all. All right? Yes. Live happily thereafter. List on 12th ಆಗತ್ತಾ? 12th ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ? 18ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೇನೆ.
This
Yes. List on 18th in the fresh matters list.
to explore.
ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಿ. We will not forget. Yes.
Please.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ I don't pass any order when I say something.
Please.
Yes.
Interim order. 20 pages.
That will continue. Yes.
Now for the petitioner
Post
serial of
immediately after
application.
service of notice upon the second respondent. Interim order
For the
ಇದೆಯಾ?
second illa, interim order illa, sorry. Second respondent is a police officer, ITP.
Learned HCGP is directed to accept notice for the second respondent. List the matter on Monday in the fresh matters list. Yes, next. In terms of next.
Here for the second respondent. madam.
Petitioner, senior is head up in protocol number 1, my lords. Only a short accommodation.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
Interim order.
Lord, there is a death note that is not produced. that is
306.
304B.
304.
498A and 304.
498 and 304B, there is an interim order.
My lords, I'm
Oh,
a
you
paternal
mentioned the
uncle.
1 minute,
No way.
sir.
None of the sections.
Wait,
attract-
sir. Oh, it's not my entry. Yes. Because this is lethal combination.
No.
Let's see.
Which tomorrow, my lords.
Tomorrow, 12.
Lord, there is a special prosecutor, my lord, in this matter. Mr.
ಯಾರು?
Shak Sundar is appointed as special prosecutor in this matter. I
Oh,
have
sorry,
independently
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ,
filed Wakala.
yes. You get him on
Great.
Friday the next.
There
Yes.
is a death note also. That's interim order, my lord.
There is a death note, my lord, which.
ಆಯ್ತು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ. Yes. ನೀವು ಓದಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
That's interim order may be extended.
Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of law.
Great.
ಇವತ್ತು
61
sitting is late.
How's
so-
I would like to make only a very brief submission. The PCR is regarding breach of contract for construction of apartments. 3 PCRs are filed.
Interim order ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
Interim order ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಮತ್ತೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, bank accounts have been frozen, my lord. Nearly 6 to 7 crores is struck.
We'll decide the issue itself. Friday ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ.
Friday, yes, very well. My lord, there is one submission. My learned friend is not here. There is.
He's here.
My lord, we have already deposited 10 crores. We have agreed to refund the amount. They have agreed to take it.
Then sit and settle and close it.
One. My sincere appeal to my learned friend is to sit with my clients and finalize the balance amount payable
That's
with
what-
interest. Our ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರೇ
Sit and solve it
because
by
we don't
dialogue.
want to take your lordship's time on that.
Yes, sir.
Let them sit and.
The
We
learned
will
learned
call
senior
your,
counsel Nayak appearing for the petitioner. The learned senior counsel would submit that about 10 crores is already deposited or paid.
Deposited, they have withdrawn also
Deposited before
before the court.
And
And
the
has been
respondents have also withdrawn the same. The learned senior counsel would submit that if both the parties sit across, there would be chances of the settlement coming about. Therefore, the parties to explore the settlement
Yes.
and report the settlement. if
Regarding
it-
the balance amount payable, my lord.
explore the settlement of whatever grievances subsists and report the same, explore the settlement of whatever grievances subsist and report to the same to the court on the next date of hearing, list on 12th.
Grateful.
Yes.
Appearing for the respondent number 2, my lord.
I'm for the petitioner in this.
Interim order ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ senior? Yes.
My lord, we have to file the statement of objections to the
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
petition in this matter. Respondent number 2, my lord.
Stand proper.
Complaint.
Yes.
Appearing
yes.
for the complainant, my lord, the respondent number 2. We have to file the statement of objections against the petition. So 2 weeks' time may be granted.
The learned counsel appearing for the respondent, Nishchay, seeks 2 weeks' time to
May I
file
please-
statement of objection.
I am appearing on behalf of petitioner number 1, Ramesh G.
Ah.
On the previous date of hearing, my senior had already argued the matter.
I have
And-
granted an interim order.
The
I am
same
extending
case.
that interim order.
Great.
Anything else? Sir?
That's all.
Yes. So and so seeks 2 weeks' time to file statement of objections. Objections, if any, by the next date, list the matter on 19th. Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing.
Grateful, grateful.
Next. Party person.
Yeah, I am respondent to party person Prabhakar Naik. Good evening.
Today it may not be possible, which any other day we will take.
10th.
10th come at 4 o'clock.
Okay.
All right.
Thank
List on 10th at 4 o'clock.
Okay, great.
Instead of filed wakalat, press part time manage, 2 weeks.
Petitioner in this.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು?
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ sorry, I'm sorry.
ಯಾರ್ದೋ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ನಲ್ಲ ಈಗ.
Sorry.
ಎಸ್. ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವೆಕೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, very sorry.
Yes. Learned counsel so and so undertakes to enter appearance for the respondent. ಹಾಕಿದ್ಯಾ? ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ?
2 weeks.
Learned counsel seeks 2 weeks' time to file statement of objections. Objections, if any, by the next date, entry order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing.
Please.
Yes.
Serial number 65, my lord.
ಅದೇ ಕರೆದಿದ್ದು.
The POXO case, 1 year, 2 months, the child, my lordship, POXO case.
Settlement ಆ?
Yes, my lordship. Present.
ಪೋಕ್ಸೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ?
17 years.
5th ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಅಲ್ಲ, ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ? ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿರೋದು 5th?
Friday.
Friday. Yes. Friday.
Problem.
ಅವತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಪೋಕ್ಸೋ ಕೇಸಸ್.
Please.
ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
66. I am appearing for respondent Maswami. ಇದು ಪಿಟಿಷನರು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಮಿಸ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅವ್ರೇನೋ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಲೋಯರ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದಾಯ್ತೋ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಯ್ತೋ 23/4/2024 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ 8/6/24 ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡಿ FIR ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದೆ.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಏನ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ?
ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್.
ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ? ಫೈಲ್ an appeal, go before the court of session under section. Till you file an appeal, I will protect to continue the interim order. The petition calls in question. ನಿಮ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾ ನೀವೇ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಸರಿ. Friday in the fresh matters list. You should go before. I have written a judgment day before yesterday. So I have to follow it. Any order, protection, maintenance, residence, ಎಲ್ಲ appeal ಅಲ್ಲೇ.
ದಯಮಾಡಿ 5th ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್. 5th.
ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ 5th ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ರೈಟ್. ಮಚ್ ಒಬ್ರೈಟ್.
Respondent number 2 prays for time to file objection with respect to
what?
307 is with respect to main petition and IA. Because there are more than 7 accused persons.
The learned counsel appearing for the respondent seeks 2 weeks' time to file statement of objections. List the matter on 22nd in the fresh matters list. Objection if any by then. Next.
67, my lord.
ಈಗಾಗಿದ್ದೆ 67. What were you doing?
Apologies.
Objection ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ ಅವರು. 307 ನೀವು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡರ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ.
There is, my lord, entire civil dispute. I obtained.
307 ಗೂ civil dispute ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಸರ್?
May I request, my lord, the prosecution papers to be called for.
That we will do.
Simply because.
Registry to secure, the learned HCGP to secure the entire investigation papers and place it before the court.
One submission, my lord. On Monday, my lord, I was called to the police station. I was made to sit from 10 AM to 4 PM. At 4 PM, the inspector says, you either settle the matter or you'll have to face prosecution, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, on Tuesday, on the very next day.
Every day,
I've got
submissions,
14 calls.
police stations getting converted to settlement stations.
My lord, the inspector.
Every day they're submitting.
He says, my lord, inspector says, I know you have no role in this. And in this case, the complainant is a defendant in a civil suit. So the question of him asking me to withdraw the.
Which police station?
My lord, Alsur Gate PSI.
I'll inform.
Powerful police station. Yes.
14 times he's called me, my lord. I've gone on all dates of hearing. I've obtained an anticipatory bill, thereafter
No,
gone.
every day these submissions are being made. One order I will have to pass. When this allegation is made, we will direct departmental inquiry to be held against them. Police station should not be converted to settlement stations. Sanctity never would.
But he says, my lord, he says to me, I understand you don't have any role to play in this. Thereafter, he says you either settle the matter because, my lord, I am a constructor, I am a developer. There is another accused, my lord, who is a defendant in a suit.
Let's see.
Complainant,
Yes.
my lord, he says.
22nd, but you are the complainant.
Yes, I am the complainant.
You have instigated the police to settle the matter.
My lordship, they are hiding something with respect to the.
Whatever is hidden, you bring it out. I'll take it on, list the matter on 9th in the fresh matters list.
Lord, may I request, my lord, that no.
The learned HCGP shall secure the entire investigation papers and place it before the court. Till such time, the police shall not take any coercive steps or harass the petitioner. Next.
Good.
And not call him for settlement. ಅದು ಬೇಡ ಹೇಳಿದಷ್ಟು.
There is small submission. What's the partition suit has been filed on 20.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋಣ ಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ. Why should the police interfere, sir?
No. Yes. First, the police with respect.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 307 ಏನಿದೆ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ.
ಪರ್ಪನ ಅಗ್ರಹಾರ police was interfering earlier.
ಇವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. That is what they have filed the applications now.
Whatever it is.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ they are taking.
No, see, what he submits is not uncommon.
Yes.
Every day the submissions are made, so I have said that.
Yes.
Every day.
Yes. Because interim order.
Memos are moved only on one ground primarily. Police are harassing.
Yes, my lord.
It's become a swan song to everybody.
Sorry to disturb you, my lordship. Ex parte order was passed in this partition.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ civil suit ಅಲ್ಲಿ you tackle, sir.
Thereafter, they have filed a criminal case against us. They have filed. This is a counter case.
We'll see. List
Yes,
on
my lord.
This
9th.
is a counter case.
Take instruction.
9th, sir.
Much.
The petition on this matter was under 465, 468, 469. Allegation is that petitioners forged government document. Transfer order is believed to be issued by the Department of Free University.
Transfer order.
Oh, transfer order, he had sought for transfer
From where to where?
from Chikmagalur, this is Kalsa.
Why?
Government.
Why?
That is because, my lord, his father, he resides in Mysuru. He's aged above 80 years.
How can I consider that in 482?
The transfer order, subsequently, he has, the allegation is that he has forged the document on bit.
But we'll see. Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆ sir, ಪೂರ ಹಾಕಿ.
1 HCGP, 2 emergent notice.
The notice has been already been issued.
Already?
There's direction to take instructions from.
Sir, where
Last occasion, direction was issued to the.
what direction? Seek instruction, make submission. Same, seek instruction, make submission. When do I take it? 12th? List on 12th. Why is senior counsel, both of you are waiting, sir, for what? Nagesh sir ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Which matter, sir? Next matter, sir. Yes.
69. 41A notice, my lords, without mentioning the details of crime and offense.
ಆಯ್ತು, you'll have to lay down something ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Please.
ಏನಾರು ಇದೆಯಾ? Comment? I'll have to lay down some guidelines, that's all. We'll reserve it. Heard reserved entry order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing.
Great.
Yes.
I have placed some circulars issued by.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
I have already placed.
Fine, yes. Where is?
ಬೇರೆ state ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ state ಅಲ್ಲಿ pursuant to the order.
ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡೋಣ.
How notice has to be there, my lords, and how acknowledgement has to be issued is.
ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ I'll post it for the hearing. Yes. ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಅಲ್ಲ 4:51 ಇನ್ನು.
Then Superintendent of Police of Mysore.
Without interfering, this is a successive application. It has to come before the coordinate bench.
Successive application.
Page 207 may be looked into.
Only if it is passed on merits.
Merits, my lords.
Not on merits.
207.
Withdrawal ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ.
It is not withdrawn.
Page
207, my lords,
ನಾನೇ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
of the petition. Earlier cognizance order was challenged. It was partly allowed.
Sir,
Matter was remitted back to the trial court.
according to the judgment and circular, it has to go there only. ಬರೀ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
It was considered.
My lord, in
Thank you.
paragraph, in paragraph 18 of the order which came to be passed by the coordinate bench of this honorable court in the earlier petition,
Yes, sir.
this is what he said. In view of my findings above, this court need not go into the other aspects on the merits and coordinate bench of this court, supra so and so. So therefore, first consideration, starting from cognizance.
ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗು. Supreme Court direction. The subject heard the learned senior counsel C. V. Nagesh appearing for the
ಅಲ್ಲ,
petition.
this is not the first time that is coming up before this court. Earlier bench also had taken it. Earlier.
ಹೌದು, ನಾನು 12/6/2024
ಆಗಿದೆ. Before Honorable Justice Hemant Chandran Gowda heard this matter.
ಅವ್ರು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Yes, my lord, but we were not there
ಈಗ
at that
ಮತ್ತೆ
time.
ಆಗ್ಲಿ
Last occasion, we had received an NOC. Now we are appearing and we have made the sub.
So you want to avoid the court and go there.
No, my lords, it is not to.
The lighter ways.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಯಾರ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು?
Justice K. Natarajan ಅವ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, previous date ಅಲ್ಲಿ it had come up before Honorable Justice
ಹೇಮಂತ್
Chandran Gowda. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು.
ಹೌದು, ಆವಾಗ ಆ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ
ಬಟ್ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಬೈ.
ಅವ್ರು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ? I will send it to the registry. Heard the learned senior counsel C. V. Nagesh appearing for the petitioner. The petition appears to be a successive. The petition is a successive petition, as once the challenge was made before this court in page 207, the coordinate bench had allowed it in part. The result of the said petition is the present petition. An interim order is granted by the coordinate bench of Justice Hemant Chandran Gowda. Therefore, it is for the registry to place it before the appropriate bench in terms of the circular so and so. Yes.
Interim production to continue.
Interim production that is subsisting shall continue till it is listed before the appropriate court. Next.
Yeah, for the petitioner, my lord, in this.
Yes, madam. What do you want?
I have a submission with respect to serial number 61. The lordship had posted on 12th, Your Honor, but there's some.
When do you want?
On 15th, my lord.
All right, 15th.
We posted on 15th.
We'll take it on 16th.
Please.
Yes.
Serial number 71, my lords, appear for the petitioner.
71.
Please, my lords.
ಅವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ 61.
Please.
Colleague is appearing on these.
71.
Yes.
B group ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Please, my
Order
lords.
ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
Yes.
Interim
Yes,
order
sir.
there.
2 weeks interim order subsisting shall
Date may
continue
be
till the
fixed.
next date of hearing. Yes, next. 2 weeks ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಡೇಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ interim order ಉಂಟಾ?
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 20ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು
7 ಏನ?
ಐ ಆಮ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್
7 ಏನ?
ಇಲ್ಲ 17 is not followed.
7 ಏನ?
ಇಲ್ಲ 7A proceedings ಅಲ್ಲ 13.
Disproportionate assets day after tomorrow.
The fresh matters at least.
ಇವತ್ತಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ disproportionate assets.
ಅಲ್ಲ fresh matters ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ
ಇರೋದೇ fresh
objection
matter
ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಅವತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ fresh.
20th
Sir,
November they
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
initiated.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. 3:35ಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೆ, 4:55ಕ್ಕೆ 72 matters ಮುಗಿಸಿ.
I understand.
ಮತ್ತೆ
I am only requesting.
Yes.
20th November they get a search report. 23rd FIR is
We'll
lodged.
see. There's a full court.
There's
meeting.
no 17 followed at all.
We'll
17
see.
is not.
We'll see. Yes.
Interim order till such time at least.
Till such time only Thursday, ನಾಳೆ Friday ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. Yes. Friday fresh
Fresh
matters.
matters, sir.
ಹೌದು sir. Yes.
Fresh matters.
Yes sir.
Acha.
What sir?
Matter, your lordship, instead it on 22nd, it's coming for admission.
Yes sir.
Meanwhile, the police have issued a notice of 3 days. Today they have.
Friday ತಗೊಳ್ಳ?
ನಾಳೆಗೆ.
ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2:30ಗೆ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಮೆಮೋ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಇರಲ್ಲ.
I will come.
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ if you move it 2:30 I will definitely take. Yes.
My lord, I
What,
may
madam?
kindly request for a fresh matter to be listed day after tomorrow.
Oh, why?
My lord. Personal
yes.
difficulty, my lord. There's no urgency as such, my lord. Personal difficulty for day after tomorrow, my lord.
ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
My lord, serial number 45, my lords.
What happened, sir?
My lords, there's no interim order. I've already taken the processes.
There's no interim order.
No interim order, my lord.
There
A
is
date
no
may-
interim order. Yes.
And I